Hello, my name is Robert. I'm a tax attorney, and we are going to discuss offer and compromise requirements, and more specifically, offer and compromise requirements for IRS offers that are based on financial data. These are called doubt as to collectability offers in compromise and are the more popular option. So here are the basic requirements. All required tax returns are filed. You are up to date on estimated tax payments if they are required. If you have employees, you are up to date on federal tax deposits. You cannot pay off the tax debt within the statute of limitations based on your income and expenses. And those expenses use some of the IRS numbers and some of your actual numbers. You can Google Collection Financial Standards IRS to find more information about those numbers. You need to pay the appropriate fees and down payment if required. Maybe you can get a fee waiver, and it's worth checking for it if you can. And the correct forms need to be filed. Okay, now we're going to break it down to easy offers where you probably just don't need any help, and harder offers where it may be worth it to hire somebody to help you. So, easy offers probably do not need our help. You only got Social Security income with no assets, or you're unemployed with no assets, or you got multiple children and less than average income with no assets, or you're collecting only disability payments and no assets. And there may be some other scenarios too, but in most of these scenarios, you can probably just fill the forms out yourself, send it in, and good chance you're going to get accepted. Okay, now let's look at some examples of harder offers where you might want some help. Self-employed. Self-employed cases are complex, and a lot of the time it's better to get help to complete your offer. Assets you cannot sell, but otherwise you qualify. So sometimes you have cases where you have assets that might make it look like you don't qualify. Sometimes you need a good explanation paired with those assets to make you qualify. And sometimes it works, sometimes it does not, but the person working on your case should give you an honest assessment. You got multiple children, but higher income. Some of these cases are a little bit more complex, and sometimes we're able to still get them through. Extraordinary, but reasonable expenses. Maybe you got crazy expenses for reasons like gluten-free or special medical expenses. Some of those cases can be a little bit more complex, and it might be worth it to get some help. Get a free detailed offer and compromise evaluation. Call us at 888-515-4TAX. That's 888-515-4829, or go to trp.tax/start. If we cannot help you, we'll tell you. There's no false promises for settlements. We only submit settlements that have a good shot at acceptance. If you're going it alone, check out our free tax help guide by searching TRP Tax Help Guide on Google. If you got a question, comment on our YouTube videos and a tax attorney will answer. Just comment below. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a great week.